Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel, NAMI'S Classroom. So today we are going to see about Mars installation. So we have already discussed or we have already seen in different textbooks and different videos that what is Mars. So Mars is one of the most important software you are using in for computer architecture. So what is the full form of Mars? MIPS Assembler and Runtime Simulator. What is this MIPS? MIPS is a kind of processor we are using in the computer architecture for the programming purpose. So MIPS stands for microprocessor without interlocked pipeline stages, and it is a kind of RISC architecture. And as it's a RISC-based microprocessor architecture, it is developed by MIPS computer system, and there are many characteristics associated with MIPS processor. One is its load and store architecture. Second one is it consists of 32 general purpose registers, and it consists of 3 register operands. And you may have already heard about the MIPS instruction add $S0, $S1, $S2. So $S0 is going to be the destination register, $S1 is the source register, and $S2 is the target register, or we can consider that as the second source register. So usually in case of the instructions like add $S0, S1, S2, you will be having two source registers and one destination register, and then you have some intermediate modes in which 16-bit constants can be used, and this instruction set is very simple rather than the other programming process. Rather than programming in other processors, this MIPS processor is going to be very useful for you, and the programming is also very easy just because of the simplicity in the instruction set. The last one is pipelining efficiency. You know what is pipelining? Pipelining is a process in which you'll be able to execute multiple number of instructions at the same time. So when you are able to execute multiple number of instructions at the same time, we'll be able to reduce the execution time, and we will be able to increase the performance of the computer to a great extent. So that is why pipelining is one of the most important criteria when you are designing a computer system or computer architecture. So this is one of the most important idea that is related to 8 great ideas in designing of a computer system. So we have discussed about MIPS. So what are the operations that can be carried out by MIPS processor? First is it can carry out arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be carried out. Then data transfer operations like load word, store word and all can be carried out. Then it is able to carry out logical operations. What do you mean by logical operations? Yes or no. Whenever you want to make a decision, in some cases is a greater than b or a less than b, so you have to take some decisions. So those kinds of decisions will be taken up by the logical operations. Then branch operations, then these things we are going to see in the programs now. Then we have registers. So in MIPS we are having 32 registers which can be named from R0 to R31, and we have 32 floating point registers named from F0 to F31, and this MIPS instruction set can be implemented for both single precision floating point operations and double precision floating point operations. And we have different addressing modes which are used in MIPS: immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, then we have base addressing mode, piece relative addressing mode, and pseudo direct addressing modes. So I'll be providing a separate video for addressing modes, so you can visit that video at that time. And now we are going with the installation of Mars. So Mars is a software platform which is being used for running the instructions of MIPS or running the program by using the MIPS instruction set. Okay, so the Mars is a platform or IDE that is being used for executing the programs by using the MIPS instruction. Okay, and this is the website we have to go for the installation of Mars. So I'll just go through this website now. So here you're having the website, so you can see that, or I'll just go through the website. This is your Google, and here you can paste this particular link, http courses.missouristate.edu Ken Wilmar #Mars#. Okay, so when you go through this website, you can see the the website that has been shown over here, you can see that MIPS assembler and runtime simulator. So it is going to be a very lightweight interactive development environment for programming in MIPS. So MIPS is going to be an assembly language. So we are going to use this particular software for executing the MIPS instructions. So how we are going to download the MARS software. So here you can see that download MARS 4.5 software. So this is one link in which you can download the MARS software, or you are having a icon over here. Download is been there, so you can download, you can click on this download, and a new web page will be getting opened. So here you have download MARS. So download MARS v 4.5 means the version 4.5. Okay, so this is how you have to download the MARS. So make sure that before you install the MARS, you have the Java installed in your system. Okay, because without Java, your MARS will not work. So at first we have to download Java. You can download Java by clicking on download Java over here. So you can download JDK download over here, or you can download it by Java SE8. You can go to Java SE8, and then you can download JDK download. So the Java will be getting downloaded, or Java package will be getting downloaded over here. And when you install Java, you can see a icon like this. Okay, you can install Java by clicking next and all, and after the installation you will be getting a icon like this, JDK 16 Windows x64 bin. Okay, this is the software that will be getting downloaded after you install Java. Then you can go back and you can download your MIPS download, and you can go to MIPS download MARS. Okay, you can go and download MARS. So you will be getting something like this, MARS 4 underscore 5. So it is a version 4.5. So you can save it, and it will be getting downloaded over here, and it will be a jar file. It will be a jar file. So I'll just go it's downloaded now, and we can go to the go to my desktop page, and here you can see that Mars 4.5 is there. And this you have to right click, and you have to open with Java platform is binary. So that is why I told you that this Java platform is very important for running the Mars software. Once again, I'll tell you, Mars 4.5 will be getting downloaded as a jar file. Double clicking on that will never work, because double clicking on that will just give you the things that are present inside that particular software. But in case if you want to run that particular software, you have to right click and you have to open with Java platform SE binary. So without using the Java platform, you will not be able to download, or you will not be able to open the software. So definitely you need Java platform. So click on this Java platform SE binary, and your Mars software will be getting opened. So this is the screen that will be visible for you after the installation of your Mars. So this will be the screen, and here you can see that you have file, you have edit, you have run, settings, tools, and help. And in this side you have all the registers. I told you that you have 32 registers. So you can see register number 0 to register number 31. So totally you will be having 32 registers. All the 32 registers are available over here, and these are the registers available for your MIPS instructions. And in order to run a program, or in order to write a new program, you can go to file, you can go to new, and you can see that MIPS1.asm, that is a file name. And this file name you can rename by giving it giving a save as, and you can change it to I'm just storing it in desktop. And when you are storing the system, when you are saving the system in system32, you may get some errors. So I'm just keeping it in desktop. And MIPS1 ASM was the default name. I can change the name as something else, nami.asm. So I'm just saving it. Okay, so now the file name has been changed to nami.asm, and now you can write the program over here. Okay, so any program you can write, any instructions you can write. So let me write add dollar s naught dollar s1 comma dollar s2. So this is one kind of instruction which we are using in MIPS. At first, at first I have to give the value for S1 and S2. So for giving the values of initializing the values for S1 and S2, I can give load immediate dollar dollar S1 comma 2 li load immediate dollar S2 comma 3. So this is a program that I have written. So in this case, the R dollar S naught S1 S2 means the S1 and S2 values will be added, and that will be stored in the S naught register. You can see all this register over here, S naught, S1, S2, and all the values, all the registers are having the values of 0 at first. So the right side you can see all the values of registers are 0 at first. So I can run the program by clicking at run, and I can give it assemble. So you can see that here in the top, in the bottommost part, you can see that the operation is completed successfully. So this is how you will be able to run an instruction inside the MARS software. So how you are able to run this? So we have written 3 lines, li $s1, 2, li $s2, 3, and r $s0, s1, s2. So I'm going to run the program one by one. First step is going to run the now. So you can see s1, at first the value was 0, now the value is 2 because I have given the value as 2 for s1, and click at play button. You can see that s2 the value is 3 now. At first was 0, but now the value has been loaded as 3 as per my instruction. Now I have to run r $s0 s1 s2. So s0 will be equal to s1 plus s2, and my s1 plus s2 will be 2 plus 3, and that will be 5. So automatically I should get the value of s0 as 5 when I am clicking at play button, this one. So S naught, you can see that the value is 5, which is equal to 2 plus 3. So this is how the programming can be done. So this is how the programming can be done in Mars. So for more programming, you can visit my website. And that is the end of Mars installation and Mars symbol programming. Thank you for watching. For more programs, you can subscribe my channel, and I'll be updating the things related to computer architecture in my next classes. Thank you.